Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for a Yoruba movie that makes romance, family pressure and life lessons? Then you should check out Wife Material on Libra TV. So guys, the story explores what people really means when they say someone is wife material. Is it about being able to cook, being able to clean, or is it about character, respect, loyalty and emotional maturity? The story follows characters who have different expectations of marriage, and that leads to misunderstanding, emotional conflict and family drama. So one thing I love about this movie is that it reminds us that judging a potential partner based on appearance and characters or stereotypes can cause serious consequences. What I enjoy more about this movie is how relatable the conversation felt. The actors delivered convincingly performance, and the family dynamics reflected situation felt so real. So guys, if you love family-based drama, you should go and watch Wife Material. This movie is an interesting one, and I'll be rating this movie an 8 out of 10. If you enjoy Yoruba movies with romance, family conflict and meaningful lessons about relationship and marriage, you should check out Wife Material on Libra TV. So guys, have you watched Wife Material yet? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more latest Yoruba movie reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.